natural language processing, NLP, is a field of linguistic computer science and artificial intelligence concerned with the interaction between computers and human language. In particular, how to program computer to process and analyze large amounts of natural language data. The goal is a computer capable of understanding the content of documents, including contextual nuisance and language within intent. Natural language processing is the interpretation of human language by a machine. Natural language processing is a form of AI that is easy to understand and start using. It can also do a lot to help propel your business forward. The history of natural language processing. In 1950, Alan Turing published an article titled Computer Machinery and Intelligence, which proposed what is now called the Turing test as a criterion of intelligence, though at that time that was not articulated as a problem separated from artificial intelligence, the automated interpretation and generation of natural language. Through natural language processing, the data is interpreted and manipulated into simpler and easy to understand versions. This transformation makes decision making easier and faster because of simple textual versions. Common tasks of natural language processing: text and speech processing, optical character recognition. Given an image representing printed text, determine the corresponding text. The speech recognition. Given a sound clip of a person or people speaking, determine the textual representation of the speech. Text-to-speech. Given a text, transform those units and produce a spoken representation. Sentiment or emotion analysis. Interprets and classifies of emotion, positive, negative, and neutral, with text data. Information retrieval. Finds documents of text to satisfy an information need from within large collection. Name entity recognition. Seek to locate and classify entities into predefined categories such as person names, organizations, locations, medical codes, time expression, quantities, monetary values, percentage, etc. Examples of natural language processing. Form spell check. Spell check is a form of natural language processing that everyone is used by now. It's unobtrusive, easy to use, and can reduce a lot of headaches for both users and agents. Search autocomplete is another type of natural language processing that many people use on a daily basis and have almost come to expect when searching for something. This is thanks in a large part of pioneers like Google who have been using this feature in their search engine for years. The feature is just as helpful on company website. Smart Search. Clevo is a smart search provider that is powered by natural language processing but is also self-learning. It works best for e-commerce because it learns by watching how shoppers interact with their search on the store. The software also provides personal search, offering products that customers previously interacted with or products that are trendy. Messenger Boot. In 2015, Uber launched its Facebook Messenger Boot. The boot makes it quick and easy for users to order a car from within the Facebook Messenger app. This is especially useful if the customer has access to the destination address from within the app. Messenger Boot. In 2015, Uber launched its Facebook Messenger Boot. The boot makes it quick and easy for users to order a car from within the Facebook Messenger app. This is especially useful if the customer has access to the destination address from within the app. Alexa Smart Skill. Amazon has added plenty of features to its smart assistant, but the real key to making it fit your needs and avoid getting tired of Alexa is through the best Alexa skills. Currently, there are more than 100,000 Alexa skills available, which let you control the best smart home devices, order pizza, play trivia games, listen to the news and weather, shop online, and even start your car.
How does NLP works? Natural language understanding and natural language generation. The ultimate goal of NLP is to fill the gap in how the human communicate natural language and what the computer understands machine language. Whereas NLP is focused on deriving analytic insight from the textual data, NLG is used to synthesize textual content by combining analytic output with contextualized narratives. In other words, NLP reads while NLG writes. NLP system look at language and figure out what ideas are being communicated. How NLP works? NLP enables the computer to understand natural language as humans do. Whether the language processing uses artificial intelligence to take the real world input, process it, and make sense of it in a way a computer can understand. Just as humans have different sensors, such as human ears to hear and eyes to see, computers have programs to read and microphones to collect audio. And just as humans have a brain to process and input, computers have a program to process their respective inputs. At some point in processing, the input is converted to code and computers can understand. The language processing helps the computers communicate with humans in their own language and scales other language-related tasks. For example, it makes possible for computers to read text, hear speech, and interpret it. Advantage of NLP: perform large-scale analysis, get more objective and accurate analysis, streamline process and reduce costs, improve customer satisfaction, better understand your market, empower your employees, gain real and actionable insights. Perform large-scale analysis. NLP technologies allows for text analysis at scale on all matter of documents, internal systems, emails, social media data, online reviews, and more. Process huge amount of data in just seconds or minutes that will take days or weeks of manual analysis. Furthermore, NLP tools can scale up or down immediately to meet your needs, so you have much or little computational power you need. Large-scale data analysis is the process of applying data analysis techniques to a large amount of data, typically in a big data repositories. Streamline processes and reduce costs. NLP tools work at whatever scale you need, 24/7 in real time. You need at least a couple of employees working full-time to accomplish manual data analysis, but with NLP SaaS tools, you can keep staff to a minimum. When you connect NLP tools to your data, you'll be able to analyze your customers' feedback on the go, so you'll know right away when customers are having a problem with your product or service. NLP helps organizations reach efficiency by increasing productivity, speed of transaction, and reducing costs. Improve customer satisfaction. NLP tools allows you to automatically analyze and sort customer service tickets by topic, intent, urgency, sentiment, etc., and route them directly to the proper department or employee, so you'll never leave customers in the cold. And performing NLP analysis on customer satisfaction service can help you quickly discover how happy customers are at every stage on their journey. Enterprise-wide artificial intelligence can provide valuable information to improve customers' interaction and question answering. For example, the hospitality sector depends on surveys and reviews to understand customers' behavior. Part of the process is learning how customers feel about the experience, not just how they rank it. NLP can be trained to recognize sentiment in customers' messages using industry-specific algorithm and identifying elements that suggest the underlying emotion in a sentence structure. The best NLP chatbots can be understand the analysis syntax and sentence structure and utilize machine learning methods, data science, statistic analysis, computer science, word sense, disambiguation, language model, text segmentation, part-of-speech tagging, name entity recognition, and other complement elements. The capacity features chatbots functionally that improves customers' experience by answering questions quickly and correctly. People do not have to wait or for email's response, making for more positive customer experience. Understand your market. Natural language processing is having a huge impact on marketing. When you put NLP to your work to understand the language in your customer's base, you'll have a better understanding of market segmentation, be better equipped to target your customers directly, and decrease customer churn. As marketing strategies become externally customers-oriented, businesses are turning to a language analytic to extract insight about customers' motivation intentions, buying journey, etc. from a large qualitative data sets. To your employees, with all the humans hours you'll have saved automatically processing by using data analysis to its full potentials. Your employees will be able to focus on what matters, their actual jobs. Furthermore, when you remove tedious, repetitive tasks, your employees will have less boredom, fatigue, and increased focus. Eliminating repetitive function allows employees to perform high-level tasks. Deploying NLP technology can create a more productive real-world workforce. Get real actionable insight. The unstructured data of open-ended surveys, responses, and online reviews and comments requires an extra level of analysis. You have to break down the text so it can be understood by machines, but AI-guided NLP tools can make it easy. No more guesswork or simple cursory analysis. Natural language processing allows you to really dig into unstructured text for data-driven, real-world, immediately actionable insights. Advantage of NLP. Less expensive. Using a program is less costly than employing a person. Faster communication service response times. Easy to implement. It is easy to find free-trained machine learning models that facilitate different applications of NLP. Natural language processing can be a huge help to any business to save time and money, streamline and automate processes, and make real-time, data-driven decisions and with easy to use and easy to implement. Using NLP has advantages less costly than employing human staff, provides quicker customer service, response times, and easy to implement. Disadvantage of NLP. Disadvantage of NLP include training can take time. If it's necessary to develop a model with a new set of data without using a pre-trained model, it can take weeks to achieve a good performance depending on the amount of data. It's not 100% reliable of the Some problem with NLP: contextual words and phrases and homonyms, synonyms, irony and sarcasms, obscenity, errors in text or speech, colloquialism and slang, domain-specific language, low resource language, lack of research and development,